all been coming here to see that the world is not such a bad place after all. That there will always be a place and time where we, people from all over the world, with different cultures and religions, can all come together peacefully, and that together we throw the best fucking party in the universe.
The Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival started out in 2014. I knew of this place in Pradera. It was still like 80% under construction. Kinausap po yung may-ari if we can organize the balloon festival here in Lubao. Well, it's different because it's the only balloon festival now with the music festival. Kaya naging later on it evolved into Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival.
Sometimes I believe, at times I wish you know. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go, to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I wish you know. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know.
Ngayon, na-enjoy namin yung may mga basketball players. Tapos itong camel, first time namin nakita in our lives. Tapos ayun, na-enjoy naman. Actually, bigyan ko na din ng 5 kasi as a first na experience ko, masaya naman.
Wow, Lubao po talaga. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Dahil ma-experience nyo po yung mga iba't ibang hot air balloon pag madaling araw po. Tapos, ayan, kagaya kanina, naka-experience po kami ng magic. Talagang nakaka-enjoy po. Para po sa akin, syempre, 5.
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank the public for supporting us the past 6 years. Ito po yung naging successful because of your support. We are now on our 6th year and we are growing.